Welcome back, guys. In this new video, I will be unleashing a new technique which I have just discovered. Or a technique which has been discovered where we can quickly or most efficiently draw a link mechanism by using AutoCAD. Before the process would have taken probably half an hour or more. Now this technique, this method can be this technique, this task can be reduced to probably under 5 minutes with this technique. This technique requires the application of ray, trim, and len command, and of course spline to generate the path traced by that point. My first step is to establish my centers, and for that I'll be using line. First, I'm changing to my construction layer. So that is done. And the dimensions are 36 on the horizontal, 24 on the Y. So I engage line, left click, turn on auto mode. It says 36, enter, up 24, 24, and enter. That part is now done. My next step is to draw a circle of radius 24, circle 24, enter. The next step is to divide it into 12 equal parts. div, enter. Select here. Number of segments I want is 12, enter. Now, in this example, this is 8. But what I've discovered is that the more divisions you have is the more accurate this will come out, or the neater the curve will be. My next step is to divide these into a number of equal parts, and I will be going to my dimension layer, my text layer, go to single line text drop down, and I'll be starting one will be here. I'm starting one here. Click to start point, start here. Text height one is to be 4, 4, enter. Rotation angle 0. This is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Click outside, escape. My next step is to change my construction layer. For this part, I'm using my black construction layer. My next step is to engage ray. So I type ray, enter. Then from this point, I'm going to draw a line through all those points. One from A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and back to 12. That part is done. Now, the next step is to trim all of these at the point where the intersection point. So I engage trim, enter, trim that there. This is 2, trim 2 right here as well. This is 3, trim 3 right there. This is 4, trim 4 as well. This is 5. Trim 5 right there. Go to 6. This is 6. Trim 6 right here. Go up to 7. Trim 7. Go up to 8. 8. 8. 8. I have to fix up 8. 9. Up to 9. And up to 10. 11. Trim 11 right here. And 12, the last one. I'm going to trim this right here. My next step is to delete these excess. Left click, drag, delete. We don't need those excess anymore. Yeah. My next step is to engage a very interesting command called lengthen. Yeah, lengthen. So for that I type L-E-N, lengthen, enter. And in this case I want a total length. Yeah. In this case I want a total length of 100. So it's already there, so I click enter to accept it. Now, my next step is to touch the end of the line where I want this to be lengthened. So on that has been lengthened. Go on out to touch. You have to be careful. You know, they need to be closer to the side which you want to lengthen. 2 onto 3. This is 3. Lengthen 3. Now on to 4. Lengthen 4. Onto 5. Onto 5. Lengthen 5. Onto 6. Lengthen 6. Onto 7. Notice if I'm closer to this end will lengthen. So you need to go closer to the side that you want to side you want to lengthen. So this side, no, not there. Zoom into this, touch this side. So again, you must click the end that you want to lengthen. Alright. And this, go closer to this end, lengthen that. Closer to this, lengthen that. And this have already been lengthened. Now, this one, number 8, this end did not touch the center right here, so I need to bring this down to that. Then go back to lengthen, L-E-N, enter. So number 8, click here. So my next step is, so it would have been good to label these if you want, but in this case, the pattern has already been created. So this is not so difficult. Then SPL, enter. And this is 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Did I miss one? Enter. Trim. TR, enter, enter. Clean this up a little bit. Now, you will realize that at times this will happen, will tend to happen. In that case, what you do is simply draw a line to create an intersection, and then trim. TR, enter, enter. Let's look at this. I'm not quite sure why this thing is that step. All right, let me draw a line right here. TR, enter, enter. All right. So what I need to do in that case is to simply click onto this point and bring that point up to um, I will need to cut this off a little bit more closer to this. TR, enter, enter. You'll find this at times, guys, that the bring this in line with that, bring this in line. TR, enter, enter. See, yeah, yes, let us see. Let that minute detail see. So this is it basically, and I'm using match property, MA, enter, touch this, touch that, then change my construction layer or dimension layer, then add my center mark, CM, enter, touch that, then add dimension to the space bar one more time, touch there, space bar two times, touch this, and that is there. And I need to label one of this, dimension one of this. I want to use, in this case, I must use a line as this is sloped. Touch this, one of that is that. And I could probably change the color of this one. Let's make it look a little, different from the others. I um, could use foundation. So one is established, the other one is established. So that is it. That is basically it. To draw a link mechanism using this method.